Hey guys, in the fast lane here. This is the LOKITHOR J401 2500 amp jump starter. As usual, it has a real nice build quality. I really like the non-reflective screen. As you can see, it's real dull. Real nice finish on that. Powering it up here has a real nice big display, colorful, and just a good look. Nice and rugged hard plastic. You don't have to worry about it getting banged up too easily. On the one side over here, you have a USB Type-C fast charger, female power receptacle, and a USB-A. On the other side, you have your flashlight setup, and then your jumper cable output port. This flashlight has 3 modes. The first one is flashlight, second one red flash, and the third one is SOS flashing in red. On the bottom, you can see all the information regarding this J401 Jump Starter. Comes in really good packaging. Inside these boxes right here are the accessories. And this is the USB cable, the cigarette plug-in, and another USB cable. So that's a USB-A to USB-C. There's a cigarette plug-in. And then the last one is a USB-C to USB-C. Now this last box right here, this is the jumper cables. And they are really nice quality. These ones have 6 gauge wire. Super, super thick. This is the connector, real good, nice quality connector. Has a square and a circle, so you can't get it backwards. The spring tension on these jumper cables are really nice, super, super strong, real good quality. And right here you can see the 6 gauge wire. Comes with an easy to read instruction manual, information manual. Has real nice diagrams. Using the J401 is real simple. Over here you have the jumper cable plug-in in the back. All you do is just take this, plug it right in. Now this one has a square and a circle. If you look right here, you can see the square and then the circle. And that just goes in right here, square, circle. Can't do it backwards. Just put it in just like this. All we have to do with this jump starter is hold the power button down. Go ahead, hold it down. Now it's on. Take the positive terminal, connect it to the positive, and the negative terminal, connect it to the negative. And this should automatically start. There it is right there. It'll show the voltage. And now it's jump starting. We go in the vehicle and start it up. You can hear it, the relays clicking. That means it's active. Fires right up. You can hear it's really strong right out of the gate. Now on the back here, you can see this female power receptacle right here. And that is for the cigarette lighter plug. This will recharge it through the cigarette lighter. Just simply plug it in, then plug it into the jump starter right there. And now you can see it's charging. This unit claims to have fast charging capabilities. Now usually they will have fast charging on the USB Type-C, but not on the USB-A. Let's see if it has it on the USB-A. So I'm just going to take my USB-A charging cord. I'm going to plug it in. See what we get. And there we have it. Turbo power. That means it's charging, fast charging. The lights on this unit are pretty bright. Hold it down and you get a nice bright white, pretty bright. Press it again and you get a red strobe. And one more time, this is the SOS. Really bright. Overall, I would say the LOKITHOR has a real nice build quality. It's heavy duty. It's not cheap feeling at all. When I first got it, I was thinking maybe it looked good in the pictures, but it might not have a good build quality. Well, it definitely has a real good build quality. I mean, it's a solid unit. It's got good weight to it. Not cheap feeling at all. If you bought it, you would definitely be satisfied with the quality, I'm sure. I know I was. And I would say I have 2 other products now, and both products were excellent build quality.